Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about Laneige sleeping mask. Yes, you heard me right. This is the water sleeping mask by Laneige, and I actually got it from Korea. If you can see, it's all written in Korean. And I am really excited to do this review. I want to break down all the ingredients present in this one, and I want to tell you if this one is really worth purchasing. The Laneige brand is very well known. I mean, if you would go to any sort of Korean shop, you will see that, oh, there is Laneige and Laneige everywhere. And one of their amazing product is the lip sleeping mask, and I do use it and I really like it. But this is such a nice product. The tub is well organized. You see, it's packed. I wanted to do honest review in front of you guys, so I did not unpack it yet. But packaging is very good. It is of course plastic and plastic cap. It is known as the water sleeping mask EX, and it is sleeping microbiome. It is for brightening, hydrating, and softening. So over here it's not written what are the different ingredients in it, but though it says that it is really good, and even people using it have promising results, saying that, oh, this is a very good product, this is this is that. So I thought, why not do a small review about it. So I'm going to open it for you. And one more best thing about this product is that it comes with a small spatula. I don't know if you guys can see it. If you see here, it's written Laneige here. Yeah, it's a small spatula provided by the company. And it's so easier because I like that Koreans understand that when you're using a skincare product, you should not dip your hand into it or your finger, because it is already exposed to a lot of bacteria, contaminants, and apparently that contaminants can be transferred to your tub, and that can lead to contamination, and that can lead to more, bump formation or acne formation on your skin. That can be really bad. So let's open the product and see how it is. I opened it. Ooh. You see the formulation? It's like jelly. It's like jelly. It's wiggling. Okay, it should not drop out. Just doing wiggling. Oh my god, it does have a little bit of fragrance, and I can feel it. It has fragrance a little bit, very slight, not too potent, but there is a little bit fragrance. Maybe it has some citrus ingredient. There is limonene and linalool. So these are ingredients that gives this kind of smell. So I'm pretty sure that there is maybe one of these ingredients or both the ingredients that is leading to this smell. Talking about the texture, it actually has a nice jelly texture which doesn't even glide on the finger. It kind of stays. It is kind of a jelly, and when you apply it on your face, nicely glides and gets absorbed into your skin. Okay, apologize because I'm wearing my spectacles. But it forms a nice thin film on your skin, protecting the hydration and doesn't leave any sort of water loss. I like it the way it's spreading and it's just sitting on my skin perfectly. Although it's a sleeping mask, you are supposed to wear it at night time, but my suggestion would be not to use any sort of active ingredients with it. Rather just use it as it is. I like it, just the way it glides, just the way it just sits on the skin. It's just so good. Once it sits on the skin, it doesn't have like a high fragrance, although it is subtle. It feels like very soothing and calming. But the tub, the overall, packaging, the spatula and everything just makes it stand out from the rest. I'm really impressed by Laneige. You can just scoop a little bit of product as per this spoon size and then just apply it on the face and your neck. This is so cool. Love it. Okay, let's talk about the ingredients now. As it says that it is for hydration, there are some ingredients. There are a lot of humectants in this formulation, which is really good. If you see, there is butylene glycol, glycerin, propanediol, and then there is hexanediol, There is a lot of humectants in this, and of course there is fragrance, but also there is limonene as well as linalool. Okay, there is a lot of ingredients that is not really good. Fragrance, a subtle fragrance, but I don't know why is it a high product. If there is fragrance, I really don't recommend it, but fragrance here is in a very lesser percentage. It's not in a higher percentage. Although if you see the fragrance, it is somewhere in the last of the ingredients, and then it is somewhere in the end. Although it is higher than the linalool and limonene, fragrance should not be higher in skincare product, and I am not really fond of fragrance. Other than that, if you remove the fragrance and limonene as well as linalool, you will see that this doesn't have any bad formulation. It has dimethicone, which gives it a nice jelly appearance. It's a silicone based ingredient, and it has lactobacillus ferment, a probiotic ferment, extremely good with peptides and different metabolites, which is essential for the skin healthy barrier, helps with hydration. Although it says it's for the brightening of your skin, I wonder what is the ingredient that can lead to brightening of your skin. There is malachite extract, which actually helps the skin from the external environmental stressors, which is pollutants and can lead to aging. So this is one thing that's really good. Talking about the lactobacillus ferment lysate, it is ingredient that helps with the hydration, skin elasticity, and also helps with the anti-aging. And where there is increase in cell turnover in some studies where they use the lactobacillus ferment lysate, and that is really good because it kind of brings new skin cells to the top layer of your skin. Probiotic bacteria produces this different types of metabolites, and one of the metabolites is lactobacillus ferment lysate. It is actually produced by the lactobacillus bacteria in the presence of glucose or in the presence of prebiotic, let's say. And then these metabolites have these different essential role for the skin. Overall, this formulation is just outstanding, except for the fragrance part. I'm not happy with the fragrance. What are my takes about this Laneige water mask is that it has amazing formulation except for the fragrance in it. I love its formulation. I love its packaging. It is just amazing product. I love its texture. You saw that it was kind of a jelly texture. You can apply it on your skin and within seconds it just absorbed into your skin, and it's really good. It forms a nice thin film on your skin as well as protecting your skin from losing any water molecule. I would say yes, you can purchase it, you can use it at nighttime. If you like fragrance into your skincare routine, then why not? I mean, all the French people are unapologetic about the fragrance in their skincare routine. So if you like fragrance, just go and purchase it. Well, I do regret purchasing it because I don't like fragrance into my skincare routine, and I'm pretty sad because I don't think I'm gonna use it. I will probably give it to my sister or my cousins who would like to use it. It's a shame. I am very, very sad about this purchase now. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below and I will get back to you with answers. And thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. Make sure that you share this video with your friends so that they can also have a knowledge about skincare formulation. So I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.